Giuseppe, what are you doing in the back too? What the heck's going on over here?
Yeah, well, yesterday, remember last night, all the sliding points of the caliper, I greased and oiled
Yeah,
everything.
you spent all that time real nice.
Right, good, right? Alright, I get in the car, everything's lowered, I put the wheel on, it did everything. I pumped the brakes before I started, right? Because, you know, it's got to build up the pressure.
Right.
And, you know, as I'm pushing it, I heard and the pedal went all the way to the floor. A rusty brake line went.
That's what I was just going to say.
That's what all these rags are. Well, I moved them all because of the creeper, but the whole floor
look like Niagara wet. Falls over there. How much rags you got? Hold.
You know how much fluid was on the floor?
I can get an idea. All right, so what are you doing? You taking it off?
I'm going to take the brake line off, and that's what I'm doing today. When it rains, it pours.
You're damn right. It's true.
Hey, Pops!
Yo, I'm coming. Give me time. What's up?
Hey?
Hey, yeah. Look at this. Buying right here.
And right. Look. You want to see something?
Yeah, but the thing is, it's just a shop car. We just want to do it quick, you know?
I got to show you something. Look.
What?
You like the spare tire? It's all brake fluid.
Oh, it's all wet because it's squirted. It got sprashad. They say where I come from. It's sprashad.
You didn't make it for the squirt.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get some parts. Giuseppe, how you making out over here?
Pretty good. Honestly, I don't have time to get another brake line. I gotta wait a week. It's out of stock. He's on vacation. All that. So this is the bad piece I just cut off. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this piece of. See this line? I'm gonna get this line and braze it onto here.
Yeah, this is one of them weird setups where it's metal line and rubber line all together.
Yes, it's a little weird.
Well, but this is a shop car.
This is a shop car and I'm in a rush. I can't wait a week. I can't wait a week to get the brake line in this.
Of course, nothing's in stock.
Nothing's in stock.
It's more than 7 years old. You know, it's more than 7 years old and never end. All right, just get it going because I need the car. I got it full of cardboard to go throw out.
Right, and it's all in here. Look at it.
It's starting to stink.
Cardboard doesn't stink.
Yes, it does. Cardboard, when it sits long, I don't know, maybe it's a little wet. Stinks. In a car? It stinks in my car. I don't know why.
All right, if you say so.
Good. How's it going, bro?
Pretty good. This is our repair right here.
Yep.
All the way down to here.
From up there, it goes all the way around, comes under here, and then it all screws in to the rest of that mess.
And then I'll have you get in the car and I'll bleed the brakes.
You got it. Let me know when you're ready.
Got it. I want to do over here. This leaf spring back here is all rotted.
I could care less about that leaf spring. This is a shop car that, what's it gonna run around for a couple of years? Junk it.
That's how we do it.
All right, put it all together, bro. Let's go for a test drive. All right, Nancy.
All right.
Clean up.
Clean up time. Oh, yeah.
How'd you do?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Good test drive?
Beautiful.
Okay, good. Brakes are good, right?
Right on the money.
What about the front one? It ain't sticking,
Front one,
right?
it's not sticking.
Right.
And it's beautiful.
All right, so we can go throw out the garbage that we have here. Got cardboard in there. It smells like terrible.
You can swear if you need to.
No. It's not nice to swear. Can't do this shit on TV.
No, but seriously, it's great. Perfect.
Good.
So now, you got your hot rod back.
So what's next?
Next?
See, because you're cleaning out because you got some stuff going on. You got motor weed coming, right?
It's true.
So you gotta get ready. You gotta clean up and everything.
Yeah, I know. It's a lot of cleaning, too.
Unbelievable. Kicker hooked you up with shop speakers.
Yep.
So we're gonna start putting those up. I got them up. Wanna see? got 6 of them in the shop.
Well, right now, we got 5 because somebody doesn't want to put the last one up.
I gotta move the cars out of the way in the corner.
We did.
They're moved up. Look.
The Lincoln isn't there, Val, is it?
Lincoln isn't, but the other 2 are. I gotta move everything out of the way.
It don't matter.
Don't be all tough. I'm gonna finish my. I started this last night. I started a Kiki Momo. I forgot to finish it, and now I found it. So now I'm gonna finish it.
You gonna eat it? Guys, show
I
me.
almost said eat it. So anyway, the Dodge is good. You did a good job.
Hey, do you know what kind of Dodge it is?
Don't. It's a van. It's a
Well,
van.
yeah, I know, but no. What kind of van?
It's a van with wheels.
No. It's called. It starts with a C, and that's all I'm saying.
It's a caravan.
Right, but what year?
Bet you can't find out.
I can find out.
What do you think?
No, because you're gonna think you're taking over. All right,
You
guys.
did the van. You did a good job. Taking over the world.